Na imedeo kwa asante mantemane ye from Mampong bepo no agina e wa asante Mampong mampani John Dramani Mahama ebo owura eye Yusif Yakubu edin eso no ne nkoya ban krachepani e wo Mampong na ekwawi agina assembly members ekoto aba no no mo eye aduana enso mu nyina eto ema no a eneyi o magina tum.
Assembly members be se aduana enso a omo wa asante Mampong mansini mu asante mantem hyanei wakoto aba e de age wona ban krachepani aban bo ne din onmunyamfo Yakubu Yusif atum enipa aduana enso no nyina eto ane ai no echese aban krachepani wonya enjintumu wo ha mu bupen wo ha e abakosem kase asi wa asante Mampong dwumade na wiye no ne nsantwefo bo nkomo no wo kire se.
Let me first and foremost thank the President of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, for nominating me for this crucial role. I am truly honored by the trust and confidence he has placed in me, and I pledge to uphold the responsibilities of this office with dedication, transparency, and loyalty to the service of our people. Honorable members, your support today is more than a political endorsement. It is a commitment to Mampong's future. Your vote represents the people's dream and goals, and I am determined to collaborate with each and everyone to bring tangible progress and transformation to every corner of the municipality. Nananom, our traditional rulers and custodians of our land and heritage, I say,
Adom Kasee ne mpanifo bia obesi asante Mampong provincial council na mu bon komo no mo chese ade we asi omani age ho pa.
So now, of all this, President has appointed somebody. And the person whom President appoints, some citizens in the town were not agreed that how the NDC members was against the accounts. They too will not accept what the government has appointed as a nominee. But as a traditionalist, we serve for the government of the day. So no matter who, as he's a Ghanaian, and he's okay, the assembly members is prepared to work with him for the development of the town or for the assembly or for the constituency.